Dear students, welcome to my channel. You are watching Manikant All-in-One Research Point. I am Manikant Mani. I am going to explain the rest part of the chapter of ratio. As you know that the number of ratio is expressed into the simplest form of the fraction. So, in this video, the simplest form of a fractional number is shown. That how can the simplest form of a fractional number be found? In many ways. So, let us start the video. The chapter starts from here. Here is written how can the fractional number be changed into the simplest or the lowest or the standard form. So a question is asked here. The question is, what would be the simplest form of 3 by 4? The solution is the fractional number 3 by 4 cannot be changed into its simplest form because it is always in its simplest form because both the numbers have no common factors other than 1. So it is said that when there is one common factor, the number is called in its simplest form. You can see the examples here. 3 by 4, the common factors, the factors of 3 is 1 and 3 and the factors of 4 is 1, 2 and 4. Therefore, the common factors of 3 and 4 is 1. Here you can see 1. And the highest common factor is also the 1. So, if the SCF of the numbers is 1, the number is in its simplest form. The number 3 by 4 cannot be changed into the simplest form because it is always in the simplest form because their common factor is 1 or also the highest common factor is 1. But in other cases, if both the numbers have more than one common factors, the number is not in the simplest form. Here a question is asked, 12 by 24. Is this number 12 by 24 is in the simplest form? The question is asked. So the solution is about 12 by 24. This 12 by 24 is not in the simplest form because they have more than one common factors. For example, the factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 and the factors of 24 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So, so the common factors of these numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. One here is written 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And the highest common factors of these numbers is 12. So it is written, if there is more than one common factors, 12 by 24 have more than one common factors. These are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. So this number is not under the simplest form because they have more than one common factors. Now you can see cancelling the number, cutting the number. How can be the number be cancelled? It is shown in the example. Suppose we have to cancel this number 12 by 24 is written, change it into the lowest form, the simplest form or the standard form. For this number will be cancelled in many ways, in many times, but it can be also cancelled in one time. How it would be possible? So the example is given below. The number is 12 by 24. So the common factors, the factors of 12 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, and the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and 24. So the common factor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 and the highest common factor is 12. It means to say that when a number 12 by 24, when a number can be cancelled by common factors, it takes much time. But when 12 by 24, when a number can be cancelled by their HCF, highest common factor, then it can be cancelled in one time. Here you can see 12 by 24. This number has been cancelled by 2, 3, again 2. These are the common factors. So, in many times, the simplest form is found here, 1 by 2. Similarly, this example also shows that here the number can be cancelled by their common factors, 4 and 3. The result 1 by 2. And in this example, it is also shown that the number can be cancelled by their CF common factor 6, 2. So it takes much times, like in many times. But 12 by 24, the SCF is 12, and when a number can be cancelled by their SCF, then it takes no more time and it is done very quickly. So 1 by 2, after cancelling by their SCF 12, we find 1 by 2 and the ratio 1 to 2. You can also cancel this number 12 by 24 in this way, in many ways, just like in this way. The first, the second example you can see, and there are two examples are given here, and it is also an example. So in this chapter, it is explained that the simplest form of a fractional number, a number can be got into many ways. When it is cancelled by their HCF, it takes no more time. It is done very quickly, but when it is cancelled by their common factor, it takes much time. And herewith the video is over. I shall meet you in my next video with a neat topic. Till then, take care and goodbye.